The problem. Today we are looking at how to use your old smartphone as a security camera with free apps. The goal is to make the task simpler without installing unnecessary software. Before you start, first, check your current settings and make a note of anything important so you can undo a change if needed. Step 1. Open the relevant settings for how to use your old smartphone as a security camera with free apps and look for the option that controls the behavior you want to change. Step 2. Apply the change one step at a time. This makes it easier to identify which setting produced the result. Step 3. Now test the change in a normal everyday situation. If the result is not useful, restore the previous setting. A useful extra. A small improvement is often more reliable than changing many advanced settings at once. Common mistake. Do not copy a setting just because it worked for someone else. Device models and software versions can behave differently. Final checklist. That is the basic workflow for how to use your old smartphone as a security camera with free apps. Test the result, keep the changes that help, and restore anything that causes problems.